Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.